In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Instagram. We will walk through clearing all your recent searches and also removing just one search if you prefer. Open the Instagram app. When it loads, you should see your usual Instagram home feed with posts from people you follow. If you are on a different screen, give the app a moment to finish loading so everything is up to date. Now tap the search icon. It looks like a small magnifying glass along the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, Instagram opens the Explore page, filled with suggested photos and videos based on what you usually look at. Tap the search bar at the top of this Explore screen. Once you tap it, Instagram shows a list of your recent searches under the bar. This list can include accounts, audio, places, and hashtags that you have looked for before. From here, tap See All next to your recent searches. This opens a full-screen view of your entire recent search history. You should now see a longer list, usually grouped under Recent, so you can scroll through everything Instagram remembers. Next up, tap Clear All at the top right of this Recent Searches screen. When you do this, Instagram prepares to remove every item from this list in one go. Nothing disappears yet. You should see a confirmation pop-up appear on the screen. Confirm by tapping Clear All again. After you tap it, the list of recent searches will go empty, or almost empty if Instagram still shows a few suggestions. A small message may appear for a moment to confirm that your recent searches have been cleared. If you start typing in the search bar now, you will notice that the old search shortcuts are gone. Now let us look at how to delete only one search instead of everything. Open Instagram, then tap the same search icon with the magnifying glass. You will land again on the Explore page, just like before. Tap the search bar at the top. Instagram will show your recent searches underneath. If you just cleared everything, you might only see a few new searches or suggestions you have made since then. Find the search you want to remove from this list. Take a moment to scroll if you have many recent searches. Each item usually shows the account name, hashtag, or place, along with a small icon on the left so you can recognize it. Once you have found it, tap the X or Remove button next to that search. As soon as you tap, that single search disappears from the list, while all the others stay in place. This is handy when you only want to hide one or two searches without wiping everything else. Important note, clearing your search history is not permanent. If you search for the same account, hashtag, or term again later, it will show up in your recent searches again. You have now learned how to clear all your Instagram search history or remove single searches when you need to tidy things up. If this helped you clean up your Instagram searches, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.